Anna. Hi, my name is Divyansha Bhatia, and this is my brother Jasraj Bhatia. And we would like to share our experience about the course we learned this week. So, in the beginning of this week, we thought that this course was like we were going to do lots of impossible things. Like, we were not going to be able to do the crazy, impossible poses that are going to be taught. And we thought that everything was going to be different and it was going to just not be something that we're going to like. But on the first day, we learned from Mukul Anna that yoga is very different. Yoga is kind of based off like a lotus, like a lotus flower. A lotus flower blossoms in muddy water, and it's kind of the same scenario with us, except that we would be evolving from our stress, our tension, our issues, our own issues that we don't know how to deal with. So that's the main thing that we learned about this week, and that's the part that I like how yoga is compared to a lotus. So overall, I really liked this class.
Namaskara Anna. And today, I can't believe it, today last class and I want more. I thought one week continue, 1 week, 7 days class, 2 days leave, and again 7 days class. Like that I thought for 1 month. And you have said this is the last class. I want some more classes.
Namaskar, Mukul Anna. This is Shrikar from Arkansas, USA, and I would like to thank you for this amazing Srishti Yogi online program. So I've been really bored during this coronavirus times, and on top of that, it's my summer vacation now. So it was pretty challenging to effectively utilize my time. However, this Srishti program has actually helped me by keeping me entertained, making me more energetic, and teaching me crucial life lessons which I should always remember, such as eating healthy, raw, and positive pranic foods, and interacting with nature and preserving Mother Earth. So because of these lessons, I have noticed significant changes in myself, such as the way I think or react to a situation. So I have had a prior experience with yoga. I was actually exposed to it. I knew some yoga before. However, this Upa Yoga has actually brought me to the next level, as I've learned many new practices and now I've been doing it daily, both in the morning and the evening. So because of this, I have noticed a rapid increase in my energy levels and my ability to do activities more productively. Once again, a wholehearted thank you to you, Mukul Anna, and the rest of the Srishti Yogi team, and even to Sadhguru for putting together such an amazing program for us during such a tough crisis. And making it international so people like me from different parts of the world can have an opportunity to join. And once this pandemic is over, I am extremely excited to fly over to India and join the in-person Srishti camp. So, since you've been working so hard for us, Mukul Anna, I will assure this to you. The practices that I've learned in this past week, I will inculcate them in my daily life and practice them for the rest of my life as well. A namaskaram from the bottom of my heart, Mukul Anna, for the impact that you created on me. I'm very, very grateful to you.
Namaskaram everyone, I am Arha. I am from Fort Wayne, USA, and I really enjoyed the Srishti Online program. I wish I could do the offline program, but still, this was really awesome, and I learned a lot about yoga, food, and nature, and I will do the yoga practices every day, and the food changes have been helpful. I'm eating fresh food and raw food, and I will continue to do this. And this whole process of this program was really great, so thank you everyone who has put their effort into this.
Hi, my name is Diva. This program has taught me so many new things, like the benefits of yoga and what yoga is. Also that you should have 50% raw food and cheat 24 times. I've never had raw food before, and I actually never even knew what raw food was. In addition, yoga can make a big change in your life and health. So do it every day. And my favorite yoga practice was the Shambhavi Mudra. In a nutshell, a Srishti program has changed my life and made a big difference in me. Bye!
Namaskaram Mukul Anna. Thank you for the Srishti Online program. I learned many interesting things such as yoga, food, and how to connect with nature. I learned that by doing yoga, you can increase your concentration and make your mind organized. I also learned about positive pranic food, negative pranic food, and zero pranic food. So I increased positive pranic food in my meals, such as eating sprouts, taking honey, and eating fruits. I also minimize the amount of negative pranic food I eat. I am also trying to spend time with soil so I can connect with nature. I am also thanking the volunteer teachers. Thank you. Vikhyat from Fremont, California.
Namaskaram sir, I wanted to dedicate a Shiva Shloka for you. Kailasarana Shiva Chandra Mauli Vanindra Mata Mukuti